anything in relation to the Roman Empire, they don't like it. That's why they've been praying for a Messiah. Lord, send us the Messiah who will deliver us from the Roman Empire, who will remove us from the clutches of the Roman Empire. But you know, God has other plans. Because that's the problem. Sometimes we have an idea of what God wants, and yet God has a bigger idea. You know, sometimes our ideas, our dreams and ambitions, our vision is so small. God has bigger stuff for you. But our ideas, our vision is so small. That's why we need to always, dwell in the Word, because this is the only way that God can speak to you in your vision, to enlighten you and expand your vision.